Hey there, my friend. This is Alex from the Humane Sapiens, and welcome to this 5-minute Severance guided meditation that will help you quickly process what happened at work and allow you to enjoy your free time after work a bit more. This meditation is a part of one of my newsletters about severance and how our brain handles work and personal stuff together when we don't process them. So if you're curious about the whole episode or you'd like to read, check out my Substack. You can find it in written form, and also you can find a read aloud. And if you're listening to this on YouTube, then you can find this as a whole episode in my YouTube podcast. And disclaimer, no chips implanted in your brain are required for this. You can just do it as you are. So here it goes. First, please find your transition spot. This could be your car before driving home, a bench outside your building, or even your bathroom at home before engaging with family. No judgment here, bathrooms are sometimes the only quiet spots we can find. After you settled in, let's take 3 deep breaths. In through the nose, out through the mouth. And make the exhales longer than the inhales. This breathing technique equals hitting that calm down Karen button on your nervous system. So let's do it together. In through the nose, out through the mouth. In through the nose, out through the mouth. And in through the nose, and out through the mouth. Now, please don't be weirded out by this, but I will ask you to greet your work self. Say to yourself, okay, work me, what are you still carrying with you from work? Allow any thoughts or feelings about your workday to surface without trying to solve them. I promise this little visualization isn't weird, and that comes from a guy who pretended to be Anakin Skywalker with sticks in his whole childhood. Now, note these thoughts without judgment. As thoughts come up like I should have said something different in that meeting, or I'm still mad about that email, just notice them. You don't have to do anything with them. Just know that they are there. You don't have to solve them. It's for next day or next work day. Now visualize a handoff between your work self and home self. Imagine your work self respectfully transferring consciousness to your home self like the world's most peaceful shift change. And let's think something like, thanks for your hard work today, home me is taking over now. Again, totally not weird, don't worry. Now continue breathing naturally until this exercise lasts. Before we finish, set an intention for the rest of the day. Something like, I'm moving into my personal time now where I choose to be present for what matters. This helps you actually close down in thoughts and focus on your personal life subconsciously. Now take one more breath and open your eyes while you exhale. Remember, unlike the severed employees at Lumon, we are not trying to forget or disconnect here. You're creating conscious integration. And that's what the characters on the show are desperately trying to achieve despite the procedure that keeps them apart. If you love this post, please like it and share it with your friends and loved ones. And until next time, just remember that unlike the employees at Lumon, you already have that technology to integrate your full experience. It's built right into your amazing human brain. Stay mindful and humane and unsevered. Thank you so much for listening to this. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you take some useful things away from this. This was Alex from the Humane Sapiens. I wish you a beautiful day and a great week. Take care. Bye-bye.